decaffeinated coffee with almond milk. Yeah, so I've had a little rest. About an hour now before I need to leave, so I'm going to have I'm just going to video now while I set my son up. You can watch YouTube Kids on my phone while I eat my breakfast. I'm going to have porridge with, so that's one healthy extra B. I'm going to have I'm going to have a mix, which will be 5 grams, 1.5 sins. I'm going to have 15 grams, 2.5 sins of sultanas in it. I'm going to have sort of nutmeg, ginger, cinnamon, mixed spice. And then once that's cooked through, I shall add a chopped up pear with that. Alright, see you in a bit. Just up to the garage to grab some food. Grab some fuel, and I'm getting a bit hungry now. I've had my porridge, that's lasted quite a long time, but I'm about to go and pick up my mum and dad and back up to the kids, and then we're going to go straight to like fair, so probably we're not going to eat again until kind of spaghetti time. So I've basically picked up this here, and the kid bar, I think it's about 7 cents, so I've had, that'll be 7 plus 4, which is the 11 cents. And I've also got some apples, royal garlic apples, and some bananas, so I shall eat those once the apples have warmed up a bit, because I don't really like cold apples. Right, car in front of me is going, so I'm going to start the engine and go. See you in a bit. Hiya, so yeah, I basically let my son use the my phone to watch his YouTube Kids. I've been trying to do that a bit more often, because I think sometimes I'm a bit too reliant on my phone to help me over the tricky bits. So I'm trying to sort of not watch things, just find other ways to cope. So like rather than watching YouTube videos and such, I'm trying to find other ways to cope, knitting and you know, finding other ways. So I'd sort of let him watch that if he wants to watch that for a little bit. So basically I'm going to recap the day what I've had so far. Porridge this morning, healthy extra B, 4 sins. Had the naked bar of 7 sins, which 11 sins. I've had some sort of variety of fruit today, so I've had pear, I've had watermelon, I've had grapes, and I've had, I don't think of any other fruit, and then I've also had spaghetti bolognese. So when I got back I had spaghetti bolognese, spaghetti with kind of a sprinkling of those kind of yeast flakes with added vitamin B12. So I know 5 grams goes a long way, so probably about half a sin. And yeah, so yeah, I'm about 11.5 cents today. So yeah, and then I just had some fruit basically at that point. After my spaghetti bolognese, I had some watermelon and then a pear and some grapes. So this afternoon was a bit tough mentally. The kids had some whipped cream and strawberries. There was cake still left in the house, but I just kept trying to sort of bring myself away and try and do. So I was reading the Slim and Well magazine, having a hot drink, yeah, because I had a few hot drinks today with my decaffeinated coffee with almond milk. So I was just trying to bring myself away, and also think about the whole what, you know, why I'm doing it and stuff, and what my thought processes are. There's quite a few thought processes around it also. Just taking it slow. Also I'm going to have an early night, so it's about 10 to 10. Kids are asleep, so now nothing particularly I've got to do. overnight, so I'm going to try and make sure on a Friday and a Saturday night I try and push to get an early night on those 2 nights, because I always wake up in the morning and I can then get some stuff done. But yeah, trying to get an early night rather than a lay-in on the Saturday and the Sunday, which I think will help my mental state, just to push myself to get an earlier sleep. So that's what I'm going to do tonight. So I'll put together and I will upload. So I'll see you in a bit.